just a little one. So you may have noticed that this channel has sort of died off. You might have seen it if you're in the Discord. We have put an announcement out. Some unforeseen circumstances have come up. So Shane moved, I moved, and also one of Shane's mates is also in the process of moving. I understand from an update I had today, Shane has got a new place, so hopefully he should be back down the allotment and he should be able to record some videos. I am nowhere near his allotment anymore, so I will get down there as and when I can and give Shane a hand. We did get a lot of jobs done though, so we had one of Shane's mates, I don't know if he minds being shouted out on the channel, but one of Shane's mates down with us for a couple of days. And he helped us get a lot of the jobs that we needed to get done. So that was a good move. We got the lights sorted, we got a few other bits and bobs done whilst we were there. His dad got the inverter working again, so he's now got power back down the allotment. A few other little tweaks and changes. There was a big discussion about this channel and how we're doing things, so there might be some changes or even a new channel coming out, but we'll keep you updated on that. We're still in. I'll let Shane move. He's going away for a couple of days for a personal engagement, so I'll let him figure that all out and then we'll get back to it, hopefully. So yeah, I just thought I'd just come on and just say, you know, we are still going to be uploading, we're still going to be creating videos. They just might not be the videos you expected. So I'm currently going through a bit of a legal battle with a previous landlord. Shane's got a few personal engagements going on and obviously moving to his new house. We might do a vlog if he's available when he comes back. We might go down, see his new place. I haven't even seen it. I think he sent me some pictures, but that's about it. And ever since then he's gone off the radar. So we'll keep you updated. So all of those changes are still to come. We'll keep you updated. There will still be content. I will try and record some videos tonight. So I've got the the computer way down there, excuse the mess, but we'll see what we can create and what we can get going, and yeah, we will see you very soon. So like I said, as Shane always says on this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you very soon. Goodbye.